In this video, I will be showing you how to send messages anonymously in Telegram groups. Telegram added a feature that allows group admins to send messages anonymously, but only admins can post anonymous messages in Telegram. To do this, open Telegram and click the group that you created. For example, I am going to click this customers. This is my group and I am the admin. Here you have to click the group name, click the pencil icon. Here you have to scroll down and look for administrators. Click this one. Click the admin name, or let's just say your name. Scroll down to see remain anonymous and slide it to the right. Once done, tap the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen to confirm and save the changes. Once you have this permission, you can send messages in groups anonymously. Let's just try. For example, I will be sending a message to this group. So as you can see here, Telegram shows the name of the group in the message instead of your name. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video tutorials.